How to create your own custom vibration on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. On this page, you can view and manage your phone sound and haptic settings. Haptics can be enabled or disabled for the keyboard, system controls, and specific alerts. Here, go to text tone as shown. You can view all the text tones available over here. You can try out all the available alert tones from here. Now, go to Haptics at the top. Then, scroll down to the Custom section and tap on Create New Vibration. On this screen, tap to create a vibration pattern. Once you're done, tap on Save at the top right corner. Enter a name for the new vibration and then tap on Save. Following these steps, you can easily create your own custom vibration on iPhone.